85% of career success is based on soft skills. Just 15% is based on technical skills. Just 15%. Using soft skills creates a stronger team that's more productive, more collaborative, and most importantly, more innovative. There were two field engineers. The better technical one had unsatisfied customers. At the same time, the lesser engineer's customers were consistently pleased, and no one could figure out why. Until we examined their soft skills. The lesser engineer's soft skills allowed him to exceed his technical limits, resulting in far happier customers. Fixing equipment wasn't the primary goal. Excellent customer service was. This is not a technical problem, it's a people, meaning soft skills problem. It's getting better dealing with people. People are the goal for your job, your career, and the company. Every one of these will improve with stronger soft skills. These are the skills that most of us never think about, but could make all the difference in the world. Most companies' employees are just going through their day, not looking for problems, and certainly not looking for innovative solutions. Managers don't know what to do if they're even aware of the problem. Mistakenly, they hire people or add technology, thinking those are the solutions, making the problem even worse. We all dream of the perfect company culture, this mythical solution to what ails us. But we're not investing in developing the people's soft skills to actually achieve it. Older sees younger, and younger sees older as wrong. What if it's not right versus wrong, but just different? We find common ground, dissolving differences time after time. Really dealing with people means skillfully resolving conflicts, addressing generational differences, using critical thinking, and leading a changing organization forward consistently and efficiently. If you're not doing these things, your company is already in trouble. You just don't know it yet. Our solution is different from other programs. While many others concentrate on management, or employees, or customers, we focus on all three with soft skills. These skills enable you to keep good employees and make them even better, and soft skills spark new creativity, energy, and innovation in your organization, and you ultimately deliver better solutions to your customers.